In this video, I'll show you how to install REFramework for Resident Evil 4. Check my video description for this download link. Check the manual download option and check slow download option and download this REFramework. Now, for this tutorial, I'm gonna install this health bars and auto save on Pro. So choose the mod that needs REFramework to work. As you can see, it requires REFramework. Same thing here, this mod requires REFramework. Once you download the required mods, select this folder icon. Right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this din.put8.dll inside of a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration menu key. Select the menu key and set any key to open up this REFramework. I selected 2. Once you selected the key, close, and whenever you want to open this REFramework, press the 2 key. And now exit the game. In the game folder, REFramework will be created. Open the REFramework, auto run, and now go back. Open the mods that required REFramework. Open the mod zip, REFramework. You can just drop this REFramework inside of a game folder like this. Yeah. Auto save on Pro. And drop these 2 files inside a game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this script generated UI. Scroll down, you can able to see health bars. In this health bars, expand the setting. Scroll down. Hide if full health uncheck. Hide if enemy is behind obstacles uncheck. Go up. Health value label. Uncheck this health bar. Make sure it is checked. Outline. First line, set this value to 8. Second line, set this value to 8. Now close stuff here and start the game. You can able to see the mod is working. The health bar is showing on the top, as you can see. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.